In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com Workspace, Board, and Group so you can organize your projects the right way from the very beginning. If you're new to Monday.com, or you've been using it but still feel a little confused about how everything connects together, this tutorial will make it crystal clear. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how Workspaces, Boards, and Groups work together to structure your entire workflow. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Workspaces in Monday.com. Think of a workspace as the highest level of organization. It's where you group related boards and folders together. For example, you might have one workspace for marketing, another for sales, and another for operations. To create a workspace, go to the left sidebar and click on Workspaces. Then click on Add Workspace. A window will pop up asking you to enter a name. You can name it something like Marketing Hub, Client Projects, or Team Tasks, whatever fits your structure. Next, you'll choose the visibility. You have two main options. An open workspace means everyone in your account can access it. A closed workspace means it's invite only, so only specific team members can see it. Choose the option that matches your team's needs and then click Create. Once your workspace is created, you can start adding folders and boards inside it. Folders help you further organize multiple boards, especially if you're managing lots of projects. This keeps everything clean and structured instead of cluttered. Now let's move on to boards in Monday.com. Boards are where the actual work happens. If a workspace is the department, the board is the project. To create a board, first open the workspace where you want it to live, then click Add and choose New Board. You'll now have a few options. You can start from scratch and choose whether the board is main, private, or shareable. A main board is visible to everyone in your account. A private board is only visible to you and the people you invite. A shareable board is great if you want to collaborate with external guests, like clients. Alternatively, you can choose to use a template. Monday.com offers templates for project management, CRM, bug tracking, content calendars, and many more. Templates are great if you want a ready-made structure and don't want to build everything from zero. After choosing your option, give your board a name and create it. Inside the board, you'll see columns. Columns define the type of information you're tracking. You can add columns like status to track progress, people to assign tasks, date for deadlines, numbers for budgets or metrics, text for notes, and drop down for selectable options. To add a column, simply click the plus icon on the right side of your existing columns and choose the type you need. Once your columns are set up, you can start adding items. Items are the individual tasks or entries in your board. For example, if this is a marketing board, each item could be a campaign or piece of content. Now let's talk about groups in Monday.com. Groups help you organize items within a board. If boards are projects, groups are categories inside that project. To add a group, open any board and click Add Group at the top or bottom of the board. Give the group a name, such as To Do, In Progress, Completed, or Q1 Campaigns, whatever makes sense for your workflow. You can easily drag and drop groups to reorder them. This is helpful if you want to prioritize certain sections visually. You can also drag items between groups. For example, when a task moves from To Do to In Progress, simply drag it into the correct group. This makes Monday.com very flexible and visual. So, to quickly recap, Workspaces organize departments or major areas. Boards manage specific projects. Groups organize tasks within a board. When you understand this structure, Monday.com becomes much easier to use and scale as your team grows. And that's how to use Monday.com Workspace, Board, and Group step by step. If this tutorial helped you understand the platform better, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.